back to my channel. I'm Cranfaerie, and today we're going to be doing an Owlcrate unboxing. This is the December box, and I'm very excited to get started. This showed up late last night, so I'm very excited to get started with it. I've been staring at it all evening, ready to look at it. So let's get started. So, first and foremost, the box. This one is black, which is different from my last one. The last one was a brown box, and it has all the different details that you would expect. It's such a cute box, though, in general. Now, if we open it up, what does it say on here? It says, guide to unboxing if you give two hoots, just like last time. And it's very cute. You can see it says to share, take a photo, etc. This got bent a little bit in there, but it's still very pretty. So it says, well, it's a picture of a girl with a knife. I hope you guys can see that without glare. So, love is a battlefield. This is the spoiler sheet, so we're not going to look at that. I'm just going to put it aside. We have, oh, this looks like a good box. I don't want to spoil myself too much. Let's start with this. So, Fiction Bath Co. Ice and Shadow, Peppermint Woods Hand Cream, Owlcrate exclusive. So you can see that there. It is a little hand cream. And let's open it up and smell it. How do we open this? I feel like there's a seal on it. What is this? Oh, it has like a, okay, so it does have a seal. It's just one of those like invisible ones. It completely matches the container. Where is the seal line? Okay, I went and got some scissors, and I'm going to open this up. There, easy. It has been done. So, there's a trial by error. It has a seal. I'm going to peel back the seal. I don't mind it. I'm generally not someone who likes a perfumed cream, so I probably won't use this. I might give it a shot, though, but most likely I will gift this to someone because I'm not huge on that scent. If it was actually, like, it doesn't smell like peppermint to me. It smells like perfume. So it makes my nose a teeny bit itchy. But I'll probably gift it to someone. My mom might like it. But that is the first item in the box. Next, move these shavings away. We have machine wash, hand dry. Ooh, Dame and Chasseur leg warmers. So I think this is the Serpent and the Dove, which funny enough was our book club pick for last month. So 2 months ago. This was our November book club book. And it actually does have, it says, let's see if I can read this in French. I apologize in advance. Nos vies reflectant nos cœurs. Our lives reflect our hearts. You can see it here. These are cute, and I love that it's for that book because I literally just read it, so I would probably wear these today. Let's take the packaging off and see what they look like when they're not attached. Just open that up. Okay, so they have a nice knit to them. Nice little cuff. Those are super cute and quite stretchy. I think those could fit basically everybody. I love those. All right, let's get rid of this stuff that's in here. It's always a lot of little shavings. All right, juniperandivydesign.com. This looks like jewelry to me. We shall see. Oh, it could be the pin. Oh, wow. So this is probably supposed to go on my Christmas tree, but I'll probably hang it in the window. So this is what it looks like. It's it's probably machine cut actually, but it's a ornament. It says, some things do not have to be said. Love speaks for itself. And it's wood cut out. That's really pretty. I might hang that somewhere, or I'll put it on my display somewhere. Maybe here. Yeah, that's cute. We have our pin. All right, it says, these violent delights have violent ends. Now, I've heard this saying so many times, I should probably know what it is. Maybe that's just the theme for this box. I feel like I've heard it somewhere. But it's by Iron and Oak Designs, and it looks like this. It's very pretty. I'll put it next to my other one. Actually, let's open it up, get out of that plastic. I don't know if that's a sin or something to take it out of the plastic, but I love to be able to look at them properly. It's so much prettier without the plastic. Love it. All right, I'll put that next to my other Owlcrate pin. I'll probably intersperse them around the bookcase, to be honest, but for now, we're just going to put them together. I like both those pins. They're very pretty. All right. What do we have here? Owlcrate exclusive. Ooh, okay, this is awesome because I've been working on a puzzle. So there is a puzzle, and I don't know the characters off the top of my head. Elsia and Layla. Elias and Leah? Let me know if you know in the comments and tell me what book they're from. I'm sure we'll find out afterwards. So it says, dance under the stars with Leia and Elias in the Enchanted Moon Festival. The 300-piece jigsaw puzzle. That's really pretty. Here, I'll show you one more time here. Get a little closer. But yeah, this Owlcrate exclusive, and actually the box is just adorable. I love this. Okay, I like how creative they get with the items they put in here. All right, Owlcrate decorative rolling pin. Use this embossed rolling pin to add beautiful wintry decor to elements of your sugar cookies, gingerbread, and icing. Oh my god. So it's like a little, let's open it up. Little tube with a tiny rolling pin. This might also be good for bullet journaling for stamping. So it has like, I don't know if you could actually see that. It has, I don't know if it's going to focus. They're basically like little trees and snowflakes and flowers and things. That is beautiful. I might try that on baking, but I may end up using it for bullet journaling because that could be very cool for that as well. Because it's just a little plastic stamp thing. All right, and I think this is the last thing in here. I'm going to try not to peek at it. Ooh, I'm excited for next month. All right, so this is why I recognize the quote. The book is called These Violent Delights by Chloe Gong. Or, yeah, Chloe. Let me take it out of the plastic here. I love that it's a hardcover too, because I am a junkie for hardcovers. I don't mind a paperback, but the hardcovers are just so much more durable, and I'm rough on my books. Also, the covers are just so pretty. And I find they fall apart way less. All right, These Violent Delights. And I love that cover. So pretty. I don't know what the original cover is. I'm assuming white, but... Okay, so first of all, there's our signature and the beautiful stamp at the top. And then let's read her note first. So, dear Owlcrate reader, when I was writing this book, I daydreamed about all the ways that it might find its readers. On the shelves of libraries picked up by teens as they browsed after school, on displays in stores, its spines hidden in the stacks just waiting to be found, or perhaps instead by a mysterious magic. The book materializing on a reader's pillow out of the blue with the sound of clashing blades and the smell of blood. Coming to you in an Owlcrate box is about the closest equivalent to magic I could imagine, just perhaps less mysterious, and she's added a winky face. I'm delighted to be sharing this with you and the world, sharing with you the world of these violent delights. It is a story near and dear to my heart, and in giving it to you, I hope it glitters. The glittering, bloody world is a place that you will stay a while into. Love, Chloe. Fascinating. I'm really excited about this one. So it's like, let's read the summary here. Let's just take a peek at this book, actually. I want to see. Oh, I think it still has, yes. Okay. Custom dust jacket, guys. So there's the first part, regular. And then, wow. Oh my God, is this set in the 20s? Because I will die. This is the poster. Hopefully it doesn't get too much glare in there. Here, I'll try to, I can't see it. There. Hopefully you can see that properly. Gorgeous. That looks like the 20s. And that makes me very happy, and I'm definitely going to pitch this in book club. Oh my God. This book is beautiful. This is gorgeous. I love that this is in gold. That's so clever. Oh my god, it's beautiful. This book makes me very happy. Okay, let's read the description. Oh, wow. Okay, so description time. The year is 1926, so you're correct, and Shanghai hums with tombs of debauchery. A blood feud between two gangs runs the streets red, numbing the city to its chaos. At the heart of it all is 18-year-old Julie Kai, a former flapper girl who's returned to begin her duties as a proud heir of the Scarlet Gang, a network of criminals far above the law. Their only rivals in power are the White Flowers, who have fought the Scarlets for generations. And behind every move is their heir, Roma Montagov, who was Juliet's first love until he betrayed her. I'm seeing some Romeo and Juliet themes in here. But when the gangsters on both sides start clawing their own throats out, the people start whispering of a contagion, a madness, of a monster in the shadows. As the deaths stack up, Juliet and Roma must set their guns aside and work together no matter their personal grudges. For if they cannot contain the mayhem, then there will be no city left for either of them to rule. In this spectacular reimagining of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, debut author Chloe Gong brings readers to a heart-stopping journey of violence, passion, and star-crossed fates. I am so on board. I'm really looking forward to this. Let's see here. And it says, for you, dearest reader. That's her follow through. It says, these violent delights have violent ends. Oh, that's because of the Shakespeare quote. See, I should have known that right away, but I know more about Macbeth than Romeo and Juliet, to be honest. So, these violent delights have violent ends, and in their triumph die, like fire and powder, which as they kiss consume. Shakespeare and Romeo and Juliet. And then, yeah. In glittering Shanghai, a monster awakes. Its eyes snap open in the belly of the I'm butchering this. Somebody who is from Shanghai, tell me how to pronounce this. Here. Huangpu. I'm also dyslexic, so maybe some slack. Hungpa, maybe? River? Jaws unhinged at once to taste the foul blood seeping into the waters. Lines of red slither through the ancient city's modern streets, and drip by drip these veins surge into the waters, pouring the city's life essence into the mouth of another. I just want to read this now, but I have to finish my book club book first. So I might pitch this for next month, because this sounds amazing. I'm very excited for that. Wow. Okay, so last but not least, we have the guide. So let's find out what that book was that was on the cover. Or not. So, interestingly enough, the cover for Owlcrate versus the regular cover isn't that different. But, I think the inside is different. The difference is that inside back jacket or flip jacket. And then also the beautiful stamp and gold on that one. Because I don't think they have that. Yeah, the gold font is different on this version as well. Because it's silver on the original one. Let's see here. Ooh, they have a Shakespeare quiz. I like that they have these different sections in here. Interview with the vendor for the puzzle. What book is that from? Oh, it's Ash and Ember. An Ember in the Ash. I should read that. I don't know if I have it. You know, you have too many books or a lot of books when you don't know if you own a book. I feel like I don't own it. I think I was going to buy it and then I didn't end up getting it. But I will have to read that one. So if you like this book, then you'll also like Roman Jewel, Descendant of the Crane, and Wicked Fox, apparently. And let's see here. December Box Photo Challenge. I don't know what they want with this. Oh, it's photos you could take with it. Let's read the spoiler card and just find out what was actually in here. So we have the Slouchy Leg Warmers, which were paperback bones. That was these guys. And next we had the Jigsaw Puzzle, which is this lovely puzzle here from An Ember in the Ashes. And the artist is Tiara Le Homme Dio, otherwise known as Bloody Dammit, online. And then we have the Fiction Bath Co. cream. So that one is of Fire and Stars, which is supposed to give you the atmosphere of the woods. I think this is my least favorite thing in the box, personally. The next item was, let's see here, drawing inspiration from the distinct. We have the wooden ornament, which this might be one of my favorites, so I'm dropping it. Ugh. The wooden ornament. So this guy here, and this one was drawing discovery. Oh, drawing inspiration from the distinctive book cover design and vintage glass ornaments. Juniper and Ivy designs created the Wrath and the Dawn inspired wooden ornament. So I haven't read that either, but I love this. And then we also have the Spinning Silver inspired rolling pin. So I do actually own Spinning Silver by Naomi Novik, but I haven't read it yet. But yes, so this is this lovely rolling pin, which maybe you can see the design on it. Maybe if I get really close. Yeah, you can kind of see that. Okay. And then also, of course, the month's iron pin, which is inspired by the book and Romeo and Juliet. So these violent delights have violent ends. And that's right there. All right, perfect. Well, that's what I have for today. I think my favorite things from this box were the pin, the ornament, and the leggings, and obviously the book. I really enjoyed the inside of that book. The cover and the poster are gorgeous. And I actually can't decide. The only thing I didn't really like was the soap. I'm very excited for the puzzle because I was just saying I need another puzzle. So I am excited to do that, and I cannot wait for the next one. So here's the spoiler card. The theme for the January box is From Olympus with Love. So that's what's happening. Oh, it looks like maybe tarot cards or bookmarks. Every January box will include an item from In the Reads. P.S. If you're already a subscriber, you automatically renew. We know that, but you can see here it has these little things. So check back in with me a little bit later to see if we have that already. But I will be uploading a video of that, of course, but only once it arrives. All right, you guys, tell me in the comments what your favorite item was and what your least favorite was, and how to pronounce that word from earlier. Don't judge me. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and follow if you're enjoying my videos. Take care.